much in there, but it's all along this edge that's important. And you know, the further I get, I'll maybe darken that, make it a little darker right at the edge of that shadow. But it's really, but what's inside there is not important. You know, what's within this light there is not important. It's just those edges, and I haven't really resolved down here a whole lot. But this, once we get down to this, the chin, I mean, that's really, there's some really important edges there. They're not quite as soft as here, but they're not totally sharp either. But I've sort of softened it just by having that transition here. Just that dark plane. I could soften that even more, so you almost don't even notice that it's getting, you know, you almost don't notice how dark it's getting from here to there, just because that gradation is so subtle and smooth.